Give it a turn, give it a turn. All right, you're going to try a little bit more. Try it again. We're going to go. Look
at her mouth.
Turn it again, turn it again. You're going to get it. You're going to get it. And, all right. Are we ready? Okay. All right. Let's start the car and drive. Both hands on the wheel. No texting, please. You have to close your eyes and decide you can see even better. Close your eyes and you can see the road even better. Close your eyes. You can see even better with your right step. Driving that car because of the big speed bump. Oh, that was a big one. Because of the big speed bump. There you go. All right. Take a quick right. Quick right. Quick right. Quick left. I see a cop on the other lane. I hope that cop's not coming after us. We got a cop on the other lane. You know what? I don't know if he's coming for you or not, but your house is right around the corner. Take a quick right. Make a quick right. Quick right. Quick right. Quick right. Quick right. Now you're no longer in the car. You're now behind your front door.
This is the way some of them
Reach out with your right hand and open that door right now. Reach out with the right hand, open the door, and it's the pizza dude. That's not the cop. That's the pizza dude. Grab a big slice of that pizza. Have some of that pizza. What kind of pizza is that?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. What kind of pizza you got?
Cheese.
Oh, you got cheese. What kind of pizza is that?
Bacon.
What kind of pizza you got?
Pepperoni.
What kind of food do you like besides pizza?
Hamburger.
Hamburger. How about you? Besides pizza. You like pizza? What's your food favorite?
Macaroni.
You. All right, I want you all to